Hello, and this is Educational Gifting 101, and this is for Module 11, and I am Evan Manning. The first subsection that I wanted to discuss today was incentives from the text. And a few notes about incentives. First, any award that is given to those who participate in a fundraising event, and they need to be both age appropriate as well as the funds must be given from the particular student group, and the gifts can't favor one class over the other. The second main subject area of the chapter from Module 11 was awards. A few subpoints about the awards section. Awards given to commemorate a single event was an example that was given. They should be nominal in value, and although a specific example wasn't given, they sort of talked about how you sort of know it when you see it in one of these subheadings. Three, the gift should be age appropriate, and in these scenarios, the funding may come from the general fund. Next are remembrance funds. Remembrance funds can come from yearly staff dues or some form of a collection that can be taken out, but they must not come from student funds. Again, the funding isn't going to be spent on students, and therefore the money can't ever come from student funds or money that was ever raised initially from student use. Three, staff committees should be in charge, so it shouldn't be in charge of one person, but numerous people. And four, the committee membership should rotate. I assume that's to try to protect the usage of the funds and also to sort of have a more varied look into who is actually using and deciding on how to use the funds. And lastly, all staff gifts. A few notes about all staff gifts. Some examples that were isolated from the text included the beginning of the year or teacher appreciation gifts would be examples. They talked about how cash and equivalent should not be given specifically. If they would be, you'd have to get W-2s involved and actually start using taxable dollars, which then couldn't come from the general funds, but just staying away from those. And then the gift should be inexpensive. The specific example that was isolated in the text was $5. And with that, that is Gifting 101.